Hello, welcome to again to the EX200 Red Hat 9 Red Hat 10 exam preparation. So let's dive right now to the next question. So we have sorted the network thingies. So let's go to the next one. So configured repositories are available at the repo server at blah 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 blah. So the repo server is going to be which the configure server you are going to use. It will depends on the exam there, but this information they will give you. In my case, this is going to be my own local repos. But that's fine. That doesn't matter. The URLs, they're going to give you the URLs. That's fine. You just need to configure the repos and make them work. Okay, so let's just go there. Cool. Now, just make sure I need to do this on server A and server B. At this point, you should have. At this point, it depends on the exam itself. So at this point, no, I'm not sure if you have access to server B already. Maybe they will give you access to server B to a question down the line. So maybe you don't have access to server B just yet. Okay. So you need to just skim the order of the exam and check when server B comes into play. But when you reach server B, you most likely need to also to configure the repos. So bear this in mind. So when you reach the time where you're going to interact with server B, you will need actually need the repos configured on server B. So if you get to server B and you need some packages that you're not able to retrieve, and the network is okay, that's because you did not do the repo thing on server B too. So just relax. If you reach server B and you need packages, it's just because it's either a problem on the network, just review it. If the network is fine, then just configure access to your repos, because I'm going to do on both right now, but throughout the exam, you might need to do it on different periods of the exam. First server A, then down the line, server B. Okay? Just breathe. Okay? So let's make sure it's not working. They're not working. So the DNF search, for example, HTTPD, anything will do. No message found, DNF, repo list, and no repos available. That's fine. So just navigate to etc repos.t. Most likely on your exam, the folder is going to be empty. Okay? It's fine. Just breathe. It's normal during the exam. Just build a new file called something.repo, exam.repo, for example. And now just build your stanzas. Go and check my videos about this topic. I have multiple videos about repositories. Go and check them out. Base URL equals will I have the possibility to copy paste? Maybe I can't, but let me try. Nope, no possibility to copy paste. Or am I using the wrong tool here? Nope, copy paste not possible. That's fine. Oh yeah, it is possible. I am just not thinking with the full brain at this point. So I'm saving so much time to copy paste. Maybe I just don't save that much time. It's fine. Okay, enable it equals 1, GPG check equals 0. So this is our base OS. Cool. But if you remember correctly, on the questions, they want the base OS and they want the app stream, which is fine. So just you could build exam1.repo file and exam2.repo file. You can have two repo files, one for a base OS, the other for app stream. But I really advise you to put on the same. But whatever the case, whatever works for you. Okay? They just don't give a shit. App stream, if it works, it works. Okay, name. I'm going to put that in lowercase, not because it's going to make any harm, but it's just my own need. Upstream, obsession base URL. Okay, let me just copy from here. Oh, I miscopied the first one. I almost did the typo. Okay, so this is not app stream. This is base OS. and I'm missing the equal sign here. Enable it. Equals 1. GPG check equals 0. All right. Cool. Looks fine. Looks fine. Write and quit. Now can do a DNF repo list. Use whatever order you prefer. Okay. I'm doing like this, but whatever. Okay. Now you can just do, I don't know, DNF search. HTTPD. It's skimming the repos. It's looking good. And there we have it. I'm going to do the install, but I'm going to say no. Just to have some peace of mind. Looks fine so far. And I said yes because I'm stupid. It's okay. I could delete it, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Just don't install it if they don't request you to, but if you do, it's no harm done either. So I said yes. I wanted to say no. It's just muscle memory. It's fine. So let's just get this exam.repo here, and let's add it to server B right now. Again, throughout the exam, we will, maybe the order will be not exactly this one, repos wise. Maybe you need to add the repo later when you troubleshoot the server's B password, but at this point I'm going to do it now just to save some brain cells later. Fine. Okay. So here I have more files than I actually need. So let me delete the default ones here because they will not be present during the exam. You should just have your own. Just this one. So DNF clean all and repo list. Perfect. So just don't forget that server B may just come into play later on. And you may need to add the repos at server B later in a later phase, not right now. So I have installed HTTPD. I didn't want it to do that. It's fine. It doesn't bother me at all. These machines are going to be reset after I film all these videos, so we are good to go. So where is my camera? There. Cool. So this was question what? Question 2, adding repositories to our exam servers. So like, subscribe and comment, it will help, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned, like, subscribe and comment, it will help, and come back for question 3. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.